Hello friends! Today in this video we discuss about air pollution. Air pollution consists of toxic chemicals and other harmful particles that have an adverse effect on our health and ecosystem. But what causes air pollution and explore its consequences? A tiny percentage of air pollution comes from natural sources like volcano eruption, dust storms, allergens, wildfire. We don't have any control over pollution caused by any of these natural sources. But what we have control over in human activities that are responsible for most of the world air pollution. Yes, my friends, right from smoking cigarette to burning fossil fuel, to driving car and releasing toxic smoke from factories, tarnish the air you breathe and cause severe health and environment problems. For example, when we burn fossil fuel, like the composed plants and organisms they discharge, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the air, these gases in turn trap heat coming from the Sun-Earth atmosphere, resulting in a rise in global temperature and is a major factor behind global warming. This rise in temperature sets a chain of events and intensifies air pollution while increasing the level of smog in the environment. Smog is a type of air pollution that reduces visibility and makes the air hard to breathe. It engulfs the surrounding in a brown and grey haze, which is common in industrial area and remains a familiar sight in cities like California, Los Angeles and Delhi in India. Not only that, but air pollution can also make people very sick. Apart from breathing issue, it can cause diseases such as lung cancer, respiratory infections and heart disease. You would not believe it, but according to the WHO, nearly 2.4 million people die each year from air pollution. So, my dear friends, it is our duty and responsibility to take the matter in our hand to save our planet and future generation. But the most crucial question is, how can we have to reduce the ever-increasing air pollution? Well, we can do that by spreading awareness amongst our friends and family about the consequences of burning fossil fuel and urge them to reduce its usage as much as possible. Even a small step, such as switching of the lights, TV, or an electrical device when not in use, can help in reducing the level of air pollution. Also, one of the easiest way to control air pollution is by limiting the use of private cars and vehicles, and opting for the public transport system or working or riding a bicycle whenever possible. Little by little, step by step, we will start to see difference, and the world will be your healthy, happy place to be in once again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.